It is clear that students' performance in external examination is dropping steadily. Experts opine that proper use of technology for online learning purposes by students can help in enhancing the level of their performance in exams rather than allow the use of gadgets to cause distraction via social media. With only 31.2% of candidates in 2014 May-June Senior Secondary Certificate Examination (SCE) administered by the West African Examination Council (WAEC) recorded credit pass in 5 subjects, including English, language and mathematics, as against 36.57% in 2013 and 38.81% in 2012, the decline is more worrisome.
Talking about ICTs in education, it plays a huge role because our students today are from the millennial generation. The millennial generation is basically the net generation. Anyone born between 1980 and 2000 is the millennial generation, and these are the students that are given to online learning.
As Nigerians continue to produce graduates annually with a high rate of unemployment, employers often complain that fresh graduates lack requisite IT skills and experience to face organizational challenges based on the nature of Nigerian school curriculum and relevant adoption of ICT in our academic work.
Find where your passion meets with technology. Not everybody's passion is going to be in programming. Not everybody's passion is going to be in networking. Not everybody's passion is going to be in new media or whatever platform. Where is your own passion? When you find it, you will find that it becomes easier for you to work with it.
Students, on the other hand, believe that ICT has a key role to play in youth empowerment, job creation, app and software development.
I think the government can help by introducing this ICT into lower levels of the education, like the primary school. Like now, some of the things we learn in the secondary school as basic things could be introduced in the primary school, and then we could now, so that people will gain a better understanding of this ICT, which will enable them to finally become more interested in this, and they can also pursue a future in it.
With recent performance of students in external examinations and the quality of graduates coming out from our universities, the question remains whether students are making proper use of technology to enhance their academic performance and employment creation.